What's up, beautiful people? Hey, it's your girl. I'm here again. So, in today's tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how I made this hair. Yeah, how I made this beautiful hair, and you can yours too. We just woo, and you'll be good to go. So, I made these of two colors, as you can see from this video. So, just stick around while I show you how I made this hair. So, firstly, um I'd already roll out my yeye wool and then went ahead to section my hair before plaiting the hair. So first thing first, I actually prepared the wool by rolling out the wool and getting my desirable length. I believe some of you already know how to do that. So and then I went ahead to section the hair. While I was done, when I was done sectioning the hair, I went ahead to make some braids on the hair. So I just braid like half an inch, and then when I was done with that, I just take some portion of the wool and then use that portion of the wool to just go straight up and then roll round the part that I've already braided on, like so. Stick around, I'll show you how I actually section the hair. So to get a desirable length, you just ensure that while rolling your extension, the yeye hole, you measure the length, depends on the length that you want to determine how long you roll. So for the back part, I actually made it, the rolling part, I actually made it shorter than the way I roll in for the front part. So that's for that. When I was done with that, I just went ahead because the gold yeye hole, I just cut it, as in I made it very short because um it's not major, like I'm not going to be using it majorly to make the hair, but just to give it that colorful look. So basically at the tip of the hair, at the tip of the hair, so I made it as short as possible whilst I was rolling the well. So this was how I actually sectioned the hair. Guys, this was how I sectioned the hair to make it as straight as possible, as neat as possible, and then give that boss braid look at the scalp. Yeah, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the post notification bell to get notified when next you post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always watching my video, thank you for always sticking around. Yes, and then do not forget to like, comment, share what you think, comment, share your thoughts, and then you can actually share this video to your friends that would be needing it. Thank you so much. So you all, as you're watching this video, please do not forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up if you actually really like it, and then if you're going to be trying this hair on, if you like the look in general while I'm when I'm done, please do not forget to comment in the comment section. If you're going to be trying it on yourself, please let me know. Yeah, let me know. Thank you. this point, I was already at the last portion of the hair. So this hair actually took me about 5 to 6 hours thereabout to finish up. Took me about that minute. And then for the wool, I actually made use of nine nine black wool and then nine black yeye wool and then one gold yeye wool in total. Yeah, I was already feeling myself, but trust me, I was tired anyways. But with the fact that I was already done with the hair, gave me one kind of joy. Like, okay, you got this, you got this, you got this, you got this, you got this. So I was basically happy. Like I was already done with the hair. So if it's something you want to try on yourself, please do let me know in the comment section and then tell me what you think about this hair at the end of the day. So for this part, this very part, I actually burnt the tip of the hair. Please, disclaimer: this part is for people that are extremely careful, so you don't burn your hair. If you know you are not that careful and you are not a pro, kind of, please avoid this part. Skip this part, and then move to the next part. Or better still, just leave it like the way it is. Yes. Please, please, please. So while I was done burning the hair, the next thing I went ahead to do because I wanted that flip flop look. I went ahead to put the hair, dip the hair inside hot water. But for the back part, I actually got someone to assist me to put the back part in hot water. Yes, so that I would not burn myself. That's on period. You see what I'm talking about? By the time I was done putting the hot water, you see the flip look. It was giving me a Ashake vibe. That's it. I'm loving this hair. I'm loving this look. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like, give this video a thumbs up, and comment what you think down below. See you guys in my next video. I love you all. I love you all. Bye.